Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to do another daily update review on my Robinhood portfolio. I haven't been on Robinhood for the past few days. It's been kind of busy for me, but let's get right into it. As you see, right now we're at $14,900.72. Down a little bit today, 0.65% during the day, and after hours we were down 0.95%. And the first thing we're going to look at is the 1 year chart. And this year it hasn't been super bad. I'm still in the green. We're up 32.69%, with the highest point being we were up 232% in 1 year. As you see, the highest was around $37,000, with that gain $26,158. But the markets absolutely got wrecked, and the lowest point was about right here, where we're down 24% this year at $8,522. So we're almost getting close to doubling up from the lowest point. So just about another $2,100, and we'll be able to hit that 2x from the lowest point if the markets continue to go up. And it's been kind of crazy. If you see from the lowest point to the highest point, let's see if I can get it correctly. We went down a total of 74.41%. Very, very big hit to me, to the portfolio. Let's look at the 3 months. The past 3 months, we're down 38.25%, which is $9,229.55 in the red. 1 month, we're actually up 32.8%, which is pretty good, up $3,680.15. And the past week, we're only down 0.74%, which is down $110.95. And let's go over some of the option trades that I have. I'm selling 48 calls of ECB. This is how I make some passive income from just holding the stock, since I'm down so much. And I'm getting the premium $48, which is very nice. Or how much is it? 96. We get the premium $96, which is very nice. Just by doing this, I'm able to get about $300 to $400 a month from just holding Aurora Cannabis, which is actually pretty good. So even if Aurora Cannabis stays low for a long time, I'll be able to break even after like a year of holding it down if the calls don't execute, and I would have to sell my shares. So that's pretty good. I'm also selling some Canopy calls because I have 100 shares of that. Eventually, my goal is to get enough shares of most companies, like all the 100 shares of all these companies that I have, so I can start selling some calls on every single one of these to start making some passive income. And eventually, right now, I'm only getting about 400. My goal is to probably get about my goal by the end of this year is to get about $1,000 a month from selling calls, which would be amazing. If we can get $1,000 a month from selling calls, would be good. I want to get a lot of Apple, and a lot of Microsoft, and a lot of Tesla. Those are the three ones that I want to get the most of to sell calls. Tesla's very difficult to sell calls, I believe, because if you wanted to sell some calls, it would be very difficult, because Tesla is super volatile. Some days it goes up so much, and like one day we can see it go up 10%. It would execute your call. You would miss out some gains on the upside, and it will limit your gains as soon as your call has been sold off, and you have to sell your 100 shares of the company that you have, which is crazy. And that's why I don't really like it that much. And if I had the money to do it, I'll probably would sell some calls for SPY. I would have to have about $27,000 right now to sell some calls, but it's very good to sell some calls for this one because it's every 3 days or 4 days, I believe. 27, 29, May 1st, May 4th. So every about 3-4 days, you get to sell some calls, and you can sell it like maybe around $86 chance of profit around here. This call, and you can probably make about $60 every few days. I mean, $60 for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13 times, 10 to 12 times a month, 60. You're making about $600-$700 a month from selling calls, just from holding this ETF, which is very, very good. And those are the two calls that I'm selling. And right now I have an active put on SPY, and I'm actually down a lot on this one, 31.91%. It doesn't expire until May 15th, so I have a little bit more time to try at least get back to break even point. But I expect the markets to keep going down hard. I've been waiting for the markets to go down more. Hopefully, it does go down really, really hard, so maybe this can double or triple, even 4x, 5x, maybe, hopefully, if it does 5x. Maybe imagine me selling this for $5,000 to $6,000. I'll eventually I'll have about 10,000 of buying power, and then the market will be down, so I'll be able to be buying things because I haven't really been buying anything in the past month, and I'm slowly getting impatient. My patience is going low because I really want to be buying things, but I see that the market is still going up more, and my average cost on everything is lower than what the prices are. Like if you look, for example, if you look at Square, I'm actually above my average cost of 57.37, and you see I don't want to buy anything from Square because I'm up 6% on this position already. And just keep on going to my other holdings. Facebook, it's at 181 right now. My average cost is at 172. I'm up 5.48%. I wouldn't want to buy anything right now because I feel like the markets would go down eventually. Nvidia, I'm up so much on this already. I'm up 44.62%. I wouldn't buy anything. I wouldn't buy any Nvidia right now. Tesla, same thing. I wanted Tesla to go down to 350, but it doubled to 700. Like, it's crazy. I only have 5 shares at 503. I'm up 38.9%. So we would have to see the markets go down a lot. Uber is one of the few ones that I'm actually still down on the position. I'm down 13.3% on this one. My average cost is 32.41, and it's right now it's at 28.10. I have 53 shares, so I just need 47 more shares to eventually get to that 100 share mark. And if it ever goes back to going to about $14 a share, I would for sure buy 50 shares because that would only be $700 to get about 50 shares, and I'll be able to sell some calls. And let's see actually how much you can sell some calls for. What I would be doing, I would probably be looking at a higher one. I'll probably be selling it between this one and this one, about $20 every week, which is just some good side money, some passive income right there. Just gonna make some money, basically free money for holding stock. Roku's been going crazy. It's at 123 now. I'm up 9.61%. When this company was down all the way to as low as let's see, as low as $58, and now it's at 123. Like, it more than doubled already. IIPR, I'm down on this position. Aurora Cannabis, I am down on this position as well. A lot, down 59%. So I would have to keep selling calls for a very, very long time to break even on this. But this is just a long term hold. I will never sell Aurora Cannabis. I believe in the long run that Canopy and Aurora Cannabis will be successful as time goes on and more countries legalize it at the national level. Then I only see their sales going up from here. AMD at $54. I'm up 30% on this one. Apple, one of my goals, 100 shares of Apple. That's one of my goals that I want to have. It may take me a few years to do it, but that's the ultimate goal for me. I'm up 15% on this one. I have 4 shares, so I'm 4% of the way done with this. Shopify is at 620. I'm up 83% on this. Microsoft, another one that I want to get 100 shares in. I'm up 23.82%. Average cost 137. It's at 170. Planet Fitness 56.45. I'm up on this 19% at 47.40. Like, I have money on the side. Let me know in the comments if you guys are seeing any plays that I might be missing right now. I haven't really been actively looking at stuff to be buying right now because it's kind of difficult with my schedule right now. But I really want to get into the markets and use my money right now because just having so much cash on the side at these prices, I don't know what to do with it, and the markets just keep going up, and it's just I don't see any opportunity to be buying anything. other than buying puts, but then even buying puts is risky, and I don't want to be putting more than about 5% of my total portfolio value into one options play because I feel like that's too risky for me. My personal risk tolerance, that's too much. I wouldn't after this last put that I bought. I'm not gonna buy anything for more than $700. I'm not gonna buy any more option plays for more than 700, which is 5% of my portfolio, about 5%. So let me know in the comments if you see any plays that you see that are interesting and that might make a lot of money, and I'll look into them. I kind of want to get in there, and maybe you guys can let me know and help me make some money. But other than that, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.